Bullish land exemplary, Lunc, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.000298 and $0.000563 by 2030. Market examiners accept Lunc could reach $0.000232 by 2025. Bearish land exemplary market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.000053. Land exemplary, Lunc, presentation. A difficult person of digital currencies for clients and merchants is the outrageous value unpredictability of the resources. The energy and recurrence of developments inside a brief period can be terrifying for new and momentary financial backers. The craving for a somewhat steady digital currency that impersonates the value strength of the fiat monetary market while holding the protection, security, and speed of digital currencies like Bitcoin prompted the improvement of land exemplary. Land exemplary was sent off in 2018 and conveyed its blockchain in 2019. The stablecoin innovation stage consolidates the overall value solidness of certifiable government-issued types of money with the security qualities of Bitcoin, BTC. Furthermore, it would send quick and reasonable exchanges through its UST stable cash. The land chain created stable monetary forms, fixed coordinated to the US dollar, the South Korean won, the Mongolian tugruk, and other perceived monetary standards. The land chain was made by Daniel Shin and Du Quan, who felt value security and ease of use could mollify fears of prompt misfortunes and advance an enormous hug and utilization of cryptographic forms of money and blockchain innovation. What is land exemplary, Lunc? Land Luna exemplary is a public decentralized blockchain convention. Land exemplary controlled the UST, land's algorithmic stablecoin, TUST, which sadly got depegged and plunged to seemingly its demise because of unstable economic situations occasioned and heightened by the crypto downturn of 2022. In May, the Luna exemplary crashed, bringing about the fork of the land exemplary into two separate chains of the land Luna, exemplary cost expectation and the land chain. Land is an open-source blockchain. CertiK affirmed the demonstrating and numerical thinking of the organization as sound in 2019, not long after the land exemplary's mainnet was sent off. The land exemplary has since shaken off the smell of death left by seemingly the unexpected end of the UST and put into high gear processes that would push the digital currency towards the accomplishment of its objectives, despite the fact that without the UST. While the new land chain will zero in on fostering the most progressive UX/UI plans began by the land exemplary through the help of the Luna people group, neurotics, and desires to top and rise above the outcome of land exemplary, who at one point involved the subsequent situation on DeFi's rundown of most noteworthy coin by locked all out esteem, TVL, land exemplary, Lunc, will keep on propelling its organization to help the advancement of decentralized applications. The evidence of stake agreement calculation abilities land. This calculation depends on the Tendermint tech, which permits holders to stake their Lunc resources as guarantees for an opportunity to approve exchanges on the land organization and get compensates relatively similar with the worth of their marked resources. The local badge of the land exemplary organization is the Lunc, utilized for framework administration and mining. Validators likewise collateralize it for an opportunity to participate in the exchange approval processes on the organization. Land Luna exemplary, Lunc, current value land exemplary is as of now worth $0.000066 United States dollars. Lunc has moved 1.85% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $23,655,782. Land exemplary is as of now positioned 99 among all digital forms of money, with a market capitalization of $383,897,747 United States dollars. Using the overall strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal union difference, MACD, from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for land exemplary, Lunc, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant land exemplary, Lunc, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Land exemplary, Lunc, value expectation 2023. Land exemplary, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year, Lunc. The Lunc cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $0.000099. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0.000093 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Lunc is supposed to have a base worth of $0.000079. Land exemplary, Lunc, value expectation 2024 of every 2024, land exemplary Lunc cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Lunc will before long outperform $0.000166. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the Lunc's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Lunc will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.000132 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.000146. Land exemplary, Lunc, value expectation 2025 assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.000232 and Lunc might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Lunc is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.000212 and a low of $0.000199 in 2025. Land exemplary, Lunc, value expectation 2026 assuming land exemplary effectively supports market opinion among digital currency lovers, the Lunc coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Lunc will be green in 2026. The Lunc is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0.000298 with a base cost of $0.000265 and a typical cost of $0.000278. Land exemplary, Lunc, value expectation 2027, after some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Lunc cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.000344 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.000331 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Lunc has a greatest value worth of $0.000364. Land exemplary, Lunc, value expectation 2028, because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.000411. In the event that Lunc figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $0.00043, neglecting to assemble the help Lunc needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.000397. Land exemplary,